Similar to the Dorian mode, the notes of the Phrygian mode are essentially the same as the notes of the natural minor scale, except for the fact that the second scale degree is flattened by 1/2 step. For this reason, the Phrygian mode has a much more minor feel to it than the somewhat optimistic Dorian mode. Here are the notes of an A minor scale. By flattening the second scale degree B 1/2 step to the note B flat, we will have changed the notes from A minor to those of A Phrygian. In that same respect, by looking at the notes of an E minor scale, we can see that the second scale degree is the note F sharp. If we flatten that note 1/2 step to the note F natural, we would then be playing the notes of E Phrygian. Flattening the second scale degree of any minor scale by 1/2 step is an easy way to create a Phrygian mode above any given note. In the first video of this series, we briefly discussed how the Phrygian mode may also be constructed from the third scale degree of a corresponding major scale. Looking at the notes of a C major scale, we can see that the third scale degree is the note E. Now, by playing the notes of a C major scale starting on the note E and continuing to the next E 1 octave above, we will then be playing the notes of E Phrygian. Likewise, because the third scale degree of a G major scale is the note B, the notes of B Phrygian follow the notes of a G major scale from the note B to the next B 1 octave above. We know that modes may also be characterized by their unique pattern of whole steps and half steps. The combination of steps which constructs any Phrygian mode is half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Let's follow this exact pattern of steps and double check what we learned a little bit earlier about the notes of E Phrygian. Starting on the note E, 1/2 step takes us to the note F. A whole step above the note F is the note G. Another whole step from the note G takes us to the note A. A whole step above the note A is the note B. A half step above the note B is the note C. Going up 1 whole step from the note C takes us to the note D. And finally, a whole step above the note D is the note E. Use this pattern of steps to construct a Phrygian mode above any given note. In the next video, we are going to discuss the mode which can be built on the 4th scale degree of a major scale, the Lydian mode.